Unlocking the power of your Android TV, a simple guide to sideloading apps. Are you ready to take your Android TV or Google TV experience to the next level? While the Google Play Store offers a treasure trove of apps and games, not every app is available for your TV. But don't worry, Sideloading is here to save the day, allowing you to install apps that aren't officially listed in the store. Let's dive into the world of sideloading and discover how you can easily install your favorite apps on your Android TV. Quick overview. To sideload apps on your Android TV or Google TV, you'll need a couple of handy tools, a transfer app and a file manager. Plus, you'll have to enable developer options on your device. Once you're set up, you can transfer the APK file to your TV, allow installations from unknown sources, and get your app up and running. Stick around for our step-by-step guide that will walk you through the entire process. Jump to key sections. What is sideloading? Preparing your Android TV or Google TV. How to sideload apps on Android TV or Google TV. Sideloading apps using cloud storage. Accessing your sideloaded apps. What is sideloading? Sideloading is a nifty method that lets you manually install applications on your device. This comes in handy when an app isn't available on the Google Play Store or isn't compatible with Android TV. The beauty of the Android TV platform is that it allows you to install APK files, similar to how you would on your Android phone. However, since Android TV lacks a built-in browser or file manager, you'll need to get a bit creative to transfer the files. Don't worry, we'll guide you through two of the easiest methods to sideload apps on your Android TV. Preparing your Android TV or Google TV. Before we jump into the sideloading process, let's make sure your device is ready. If you're using a Chromecast with Google TV, you'll need to enable developer options first. Here's how. 1. Open the settings menu. Look for the gear icon. 2. Navigate to System. 3. Select About. 4. Highlight Android TV OS build and press the select button repeatedly until you see a message saying, "You are now a developer." How to sideload apps using your Android phone. Now, let's get started with sideloading using your Android phone and Chromecast with Google TV. First, you'll need to download the APK file of the app you want to install. A great resource for finding APKs is APK Mirror. Just open the site on your phone, find the app you want, and download the APK file. Important note, always be cautious when downloading apps from unofficial sources. APK Mirror has a solid reputation for verifying its files, but it's wise to stay alert. Next, you'll need a couple of apps to facilitate the transfer. Send files to TV and File Commander Manager and Vault. Both are available on the Google Play Store and are user-friendly. Install them on your Android TV and your phone. Here's how to sideload apps *. 1. Launch the Send Files to TV app on your Android TV. 2. Choose the Receive option. 3. Open the Send Files to TV app on your phone and select Send. 4. Browse to the APK file you downloaded. It should be in your Downloads folder, and select it. 5. Your TV should appear on your phone screen. Select it to start the transfer. 6. Once the transfer is complete, select the APK on your TV and hit Open. If prompted, enable manual installs from Send Files to TV. 7. Select Install. If you encounter issues, don't worry. You can still install the APK using File Commander Manager and Vault. 8. Open File Commander, go to Internal Storage, and find your transferred APK in the Downloads folder. 9. Select the APK file, and you'll see a message saying Staging App. 10. If prompted about installations from unknown sources, tap the Settings button and enable it for the app you're using. 11. Hit Install, and your APK will start installing. 12. Once installed, you can press Open to launch your new app. Sideloading apps using cloud storage. Another straightforward method for sideloading apps is through cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. This method is particularly useful if you prefer not to use your phone for the transfer. Just remember that using cloud storage for this purpose may require a premium feature on File Commander, but you can enjoy a 7-day free trial. To sideload apps using cloud storage, follow these steps. 1. Upload the APK file to your chosen cloud storage. We recommend Google Drive for its ease of use. 2. Open the File Commander Manager and Vault app on your Android TV. 3. Sign in to your cloud storage account. 4. Locate the APK file you uploaded and select it. 5. If you haven't granted the necessary permissions, you may see a prompt about installations from unknown sources. Just follow the on-screen instructions to enable it. 6. Hit install, and your app will be ready to use once the installation is complete. You can also sideload apps using a USB stick or hard drive. Just plug it into your Android TV, open File Commander, and follow the same steps to install the APK. How to open sideloaded apps on Android TV. After successfully sideloading your apps, you might wonder where to find them. Unlike Android phones, sideloaded apps won't appear in the launcher or apps menu. But don't fret. You can still access them through the settings menu. Just go to Settings, gear icon, Apps, see all apps to find your sideloaded app. If you want a more convenient way to access your sideloaded apps, consider downloading the Sideload Launcher app. It allows you to view all your apps, including those you've sideloaded, in one easy-to-navigate place. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can unlock a whole new world of apps on your Android TV or Google TV. Happy sideloading!